In the evening tea time, we always crave for something delicious, tasty, and spicy. But at the same time, we also want something healthy. Hello, and welcome back to the Life Around Foods. And here I am with the second episode of Snacks with Chai. Today I am going to share with you a very tasty, delicious, and at the same time very healthy recipe, which is curd veg sandwich, or you can say dahi vegetable sandwich. So without any delay, let's get started. Cup hung curd. You can also make hung curd at your home. आपको एक क्लीन कॉटन क्लॉथ लेना है. आप उसमें दही डालिए और उसे टाई करके कहीं पे भी टंगा दीजिए. जो एक्सेस वाटर होगा वो बाहर आ जाएगा एंड द थिक हंग कर्ड विल स्टे रिमेन इन द क्लॉथ एंड यू कैन यूज इट इन अ sandwich and whatever. So this is how you can make hung curd at your home. 1/4 cup chopped cucumber, remove the seeds and chopped into small dices. 1/4 cup chopped tomato, same, remove the seeds and chop them into small dices. Medium size chopped onion and green chili. Green chili is totally option. If you don't want, you can totally avoid it. Freshly chopped coriander, salt and pepper as per your taste. This is all you need for sandwich mixture. Now for tempering, I am taking 1 tablespoon oil, it's refined oil, 1/4 tablespoon cumin seeds and mustard seeds, and around 10 to 12 dry curry leaves. For sandwich, of course, slice of bread. Here I am taking white bread. If you want, you can take brown bread as well, and some butter. Now in a bowl, add hung curd and mix it well. There should be no lumps in it. Mix it properly. Add cucumber, chopped tomatoes, chopped onion and green chili, add pepper and salt. Add coriander and mix all these things nicely. Give it a nice mix and make a nice thick paste. Now for tempering, take a fry pan, heat the oil. जब ऑयल अच्छे से गर्म हो जाए, ऐड क्यूमिन सीड्स एंड मस्टर्ड सीड. आपको इसमें राई और जीरा डालना है. add curry leaves and give it a nice mix. Now add the tadka into the mixture. Now give it a nice mix. Our mixture is properly ready to fill in breads. Now apply the mixture into the bread. Spread the mixture all over the bread properly. And cover it with another slice of bread. Now apply butter. Spread the butter all over the bread properly. You can also use ghee. Apply butter on the other side as well, and now grill it properly. Now the crispy, delicious, spicy, crunchy veg curd sandwich is ready. Serve it with some ketchup and of course with some hot adrak wali chai. I am sure you, your family, your friends gonna love it. So please try this out. So if you like this recipe, please like it, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to Life Around Foods. See you next time with another episode of Snacks with Chai. तब तक के लिए keep eating because life is around foods.